Hi soulmates, in this tutorial you will learn how to cut and sew this layered skirt with just 3 steps. Yes, it is as simple as that, and I'm assuring you at the end of this tutorial you will be able to cut your own layered skirt immediately, no matter how your level might be in the fashion industry. To make this skirt, the first thing you have to do is to determine your length and the numbers of layers you want your skirt to have. Step 1, you cut out the base. And to cut out the base of your skirt, you have to add 11 inches to your hip circumference. My hip circumference is 41 plus 11, that gives me 52 inches. 52 inches divided by 2, that gives us 26. So this is what we have here. And for the length of the base, divide the length by the number of layers you want to have on your skirt. The length of my skirt is 25 divided by 5, that gives me 5 in 5 places. Remove the last number and add the rest number together plus 1 inch. This will give you the length of your base. Therefore, the length of my base is 20 inches plus 1 is equal to 21 inches. So here is 21 inches for the base of our skirt. Let me tell you this, the last ruffle we remove is what we are going to use to complete the length of our skirt. Step 2, determine the wideness of your ruffle. To determine the wideness of your ruffle, multiply your base by 3 or by 4. For this tutorial, I multiply the base by 3. That gives me 160 inches, which gives me the wideness of my ruffle. For the length of your layers, divide your actual length by the number of layers you want to have on your skirt plus 2 inches. That will give you the length of your layers. The next thing is to mark out 5 inches on our base, on which we are going to sew our layers. Now the last step is joining our skirt together. As you can see, this is the base of my skirt, and I've made my line for the ruffles. So this is the line for the ruffles, and also the side has been closed. So the next thing is our band. Also, I've closed the band, create my elastic channel. I'm making use of small elastic, leaving the opening to pass in my elastic. So the next thing now we are going to do is this way, and we are going to attach our band to the base. So this is how we are going to do it. I'm going to place it inward this way, then I'm going to sew it round. So this is the band, and I leave opening space to pass in my elastic. So now I'm going to show you the next thing. So now the next thing is a ruffle. I told you the ruffle is the hip multiplied by 3. That's what I use for the wideness of this ruffle. If you like, you can use hip multiplied by 4. So the next thing is to pleat it this way. We are going to pleat it this way to the size of your skirt base. So after pleating it, we are going to place it this way. Then you are going to join round. So that's the next thing. And this down side, you are going to place your ruffle this way. Then you are going to join it to the base. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be teaching you how to make 3 types of bra cut for corset, which no one has ever talked about on the internet or anywhere. See you there.